Hi, hello everybody. We want to share you about replace timing bell Volvo 400 It is important to you understand about the TDC shop. This one from the uh, this one come cover. Then come shop bell was the um, BTDC rotation 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 then rotation is the TDC mark on the flight wheel bell using and camshaft bell cover gear option either remove and push bottom right inside the 8 mm lock pin in the whole crankcase. Check that the crankshaft cannot be rotation. We understand we must hold crank hole so the crank hole is it then mat 8 mm or 8 mm stopper for flywheel rotation with navy rotation. Then look for crankshaft. Remove crankshaft pull and vibration damper. Remove all the bell cover. Make mark on each position mark. Cancel gear. Undo bell tension. Remove bell begin and the tension. Feel the cam bell. Check the lock in pin place. Lock in pin motor check place. Mark it timing bell cover mid camshaft. Place the bell so the mark is possible mark crank. We must mark crank and gear. So we are following the bell direction. Move to the second fan in which bell is to the fit in gear. Adjust temperature bell is M6 screw. And this adjust timing bell M6 mm. We adjust timing bell. Use the special to 999 24 34 and 99 24 35. Use the tool for adjust cam bell. Correct tension 7.5 mm cold ball. Tighten the tension lock nut. Then lock nut. Tighten torque 50 Newton meter. We tied 20 Newton meter. Check the bell is fit correctly. Move the special tool. Move lock pin. Turn the crankshaft to full revolution in the correct direction. Rotation crankshaft TDC position. Insert the lock pin. Crank. That is the mark on crank gear at the position mark. There is a bell cover. Remove the lock pin. Reveal. Check the crankshaft. A special tool. 7mm, remove the tension. Crankshaft, bell cover, sub pole, also dry, and belt drive, power, and air condition. I think they do understand the mention about the master code. Then this point comes up. This point master adjuster, twister. Yes. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand about my mention about. Thank you.